What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy a drying rack and use it in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is you need to achieve rank Hustler 5 before you can purchase a drying rack. In the normal hardware stores they are not available to buy. So once you have reached Hustler 5, then you can open this warehouse and you go inside. And there you'll find on the right side a guy which sells some stuff. He's called Oscar. Talk to Oscar. After that you will open the store menu and you will find the drying rack. So what you can do is purchase a drying rack, and after that we will head over to our warehouse. So what you can do is basically go to your warehouse and there you can place the drying racks. As you can see, I'm already using them, but what you can do is basically click on the E on your keyboard and you can put the product in here. After that you can click on dry and these products will be placed on the drying rack. Now if I press on my 9 at the keyboard, then I can select the drying rack. What you can do, you can set up the target quality. So if you set it on the yellow star, it will take longer, but the product will get better. So once you have set that, then you can add the product into the drying rack and it starts drying. And as you can see, if I close the 9 menu, so the workers menu, then I can click on E again and you will see that this product will stay on the drying rack till it reaches the yellow star quality. So once it is reaching the yellow star quality, you can press 9 again and you can also auto set the destination of your product. So the workers will place the product in the storage rack. So as you can see, this drying rack is going towards this room and it is placing the product in this drying rack. And this is how you buy a drying rack and use it in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!